A $15,000 fine was imposed on a Bath Estate man on Friday when he appeared before the magistrate's court on firearm charges. Two defendants, Hugo Frederick Riley and Kimran Burke, appeared before Magistrate Bernard Paquette after being arrested and charged on 4 gun-related charges. Riley entered a guilty plea, but Burke pleaded not guilty right before his case was dropped by the prosecution. And information presented in court by the prosecution revealed that on Friday, June 30th, at about 5:30 a.m., officers had executed a search warrant on the property of Hugo Riley in Bath Estate for cannabis and cocaine. When officers arrived, Riley's mother, along with Kimran Burke, were found at the residence, but Riley was not present. Police confiscated a small plastic jar of cannabis in a bedroom, along with 8 rounds of .45 caliber ammunition, 12 rounds of .45 Winchester ammunition, and 1 Taurus pistol, all discovered under a mattress in the living room. When questioned, both Burke and Riley's mother denied having anything to do with the contraband. Riley soon returned to the premises and immediately identified himself to police, saying, "Everything is mine. Nobody there knows nothing about that. Nobody else has anything to do with that. I take full responsibility." And he was swiftly cautioned, arrested, and brought to police headquarters, where he was charged with possession of cannabis, possession of a firearm without a valid license, possession of 8 rounds of live .45 caliber ammunition without a license, and possession of 12 rounds of live .45 Winchester ammunition without a valid license. Defense attorney Wayne Nordy asked the court to impose a non-custodial sentence on his client, stating that this was Riley's first offense and he had entered a guilty plea. Nordy also stressed that his client had been cooperative with police from the onset and had taken responsibility for his actions and was remorseful. Riley was fined $5,000 for possession of the 12 rounds of live Winchester ammunition without a valid license, to be paid in 6 months or spent time in jail by default. He was also charged $10,000 for the possession of a firearm without a valid license. The first $5,000 should be paid within a period of 6 months, or in default of the payment, he will spend 6 months in jail, while the remaining $5,000 is to be paid over the period of 1 year or spend 6 months in jail by default. And he was given no separate penalty for the possession of cannabis charge, while the second charge of possession of ammunition was discharged. Welcome back.